We have got Dragon's Fury, Rattlesnake, Mandrill Mayhem and Vampire. It is a peak weekend, so let's see how we get on. So we were meant to be riding a coaster first, but we didn't. We rode the Gruffalo, so in the next clip I'm basically lying to you. But we did ride our first coaster. The first coaster we're going to try and get on is Mandrill Mayhem. Yeah, very excited to be getting back on this. I love the coaster, it's brilliant. Ride 1 on Mandrill Mayhem was a success, absolutely brilliant. Such a smooth ride in my opinion, and such a great asset to the park. Great first ride. The second coaster of the day is going to be a Rattlesnake. Coaster, Rattlesnake, it was a good ride, really enjoyed it, bit rickety for me, definitely not my favourite, but that's the second coaster out of 4 done. And the third coaster of the day is going to be Dragon's Fury. 3 coasters done now. Dragon's Fury, great ride on it there, definitely spanned so much, but coming over to that drop, it was so slow, but I really enjoyed it. And we are heading to the final coaster of the day now, the Vampire. With Vampire being our final coaster, if you want to see my behind the scenes tour that I got invited down on for it, head over to my recent video to check it out. Our 4th ride there, the last coaster of the day. We accomplished the little challenge we had of riding all 4 coasters here on the park in a day. What an awesome day that was today here at Chessington. Even picked up the park map on my way out, which are now available. Around the park is now map shacks where you can just open the top and grab a map. So maps are physical now back on park. But yeah, the goal was to try and ride all 4 coasters and I did just that. So I'm absolutely chuffed. So make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on the channel. Bye bye guys.